Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Klein 32900 is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tools you can add to your arsenal, designed to tackle a wide range of electrical tasks with precision and ease. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool promises to streamline your workflow and deliver professional-grade results, making it an indispensable companion for any electrical project. Its robust construction and user-friendly design ensure durability and comfort, even during extended use, setting a new standard for what you can expect from your go-to electrical equipment. Number 5. Katerk 1/4-inch hex shank screwdriver bit holder. Introducing the Katerk bit holder, designed for quick and easy bit changes. Its innovative push-to-unlock feature allows for effortless swapping of your 1/4-inch hex shank bits. This versatile holder is compatible with most 1/4-inch hex shank drill bits and handles. It seamlessly integrates with various electric and handheld screwdrivers, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Equipped with a secure backup nut and a high-quality steel ball design, it ensures your bits stay firmly in place. You can trust that your bits won't fall off, even under load. Simplify your workflow with single-handed bit changes. The multicolor design also helps you quickly identify the right bit for the job, boosting your efficiency. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this bit holder is both lightweight and durable. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, perfect for on-the-go use. Looking for a practical gift? This screwdriver bit holder is an ideal choice for anyone involved in construction or electrical work. It's a must-have for stocking stuffers and a great gift for dads and husbands. What we like. This bit holder offers effortless one-handed bit changes, making your tasks quicker. Its secure locking mechanism ensures your bits stay put, preventing drops. If you're looking for a lightweight and convenient way to manage your drill bits on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. The Klein 32900 is a great tool for stripping wire. It is very easy to use and strips wire quickly. The tool is well made and durable. Number 4. Klein Tools VDV 226-110 Crimper. Make your voice and data installations a breeze. This tool streamlines the entire process, getting you connected faster. It's more than just a crimper. This versatile tool also strips and cuts wires, handling both STP and UTP data cables with ease. Achieve optimal performance with precise trimming. It ensures a clean finish right at the connector end, preventing any unintended contact. Get reliable and secure connections every time. It's designed to work seamlessly with specific connectors, ensuring a perfect fit. Whether you're working with standard RJ11, RJ12 or RJ45 connectors, this tool has you covered. It supports a wide range of modular connectors. Experience secure terminations thanks to its full-cycle ratchet mechanism. This guarantees complete crimping, significantly reducing the risk of connection failure. Install with confidence. The built-in wiring guide helps minimize errors, making your installations more efficient and accurate. What we like. This tool combines stripping, crimping, and cutting for data cables in one unit. Its pass-through design ensures clean, precise connections every time. If you're a network installer or IT professional who values efficiency and error-free terminations, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Klein 32900 is a great tool for stripping wire. It has a comfortable grip and is easy to use. The wire stripper is very durable and well made. Number 3. Klein Tools 32807 MAG7 in 1 magnetic nut driver. Introducing the Klein Tools 7-in-1 nut driver, a versatile tool designed to simplify your work. It combines 7 essential SAE hex nut sizes into a single, convenient unit. Experience effortless one-handed operation with this innovative screwdriver and nut driver. It allows you to quickly and efficiently drive nuts and bolts with ease. Equipped with strong rare earth magnets, it securely holds various nut sizes, including 1/4-inch, 5/16-inch, 11/32-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch. This ensures your fasteners stay in place. For those trickier sizes like 7/16-inch and 9/16-inch, a reliable spring coil keeps nuts and bolts firmly held. You get a secure grip without needing magnets. Its hollow shafts are designed for driving nuts deep onto bolts or threaded rod. This feature is available for sizes 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, 7/16 inch, and 9/16 inch. This tool boasts a heavy-duty handle and shaft that surpass the torque performance of standard nut drivers. A wrench assist on the handle provides even more leverage for demanding tasks. Find the right size quickly thanks to the color-coded bands. This feature makes identification simple and saves you time on the job. What we like. This nut driver consolidates 7 SAE sizes into a single, versatile tool. It features both magnetic and spring-loaded nut retention for different applications. If you frequently work with nuts and bolts and need a tool that offers extra torque and convenience, this is an excellent addition to your toolbox. What people say. The Klein 32900 is a great tool for stripping wire. It is very easy to use and strips wire quickly. The tool is also very durable and well made. Number 2. Klein Tools 32308 Multi-Bit Stubby Screwdriver. Introducing the Klein Tools 32308, an 8-in-1 adjustable magnetic screwdriver. This versatile tool is designed for efficiency and convenience. Its compact, stubby design allows it to easily reach into tight spaces where other tools can't. Get the job done, no matter how confined the area. This tool includes 7 different screwdriver bits and a 1/4 inch nut driver, all conveniently housed within the handle. Everything you need is always at hand. Featuring an adjustable blade, it offers easier access and greater flexibility for various tasks. Adapt it to your specific needs on the fly. The impact-rated blade ensures durability and performance for demanding applications. It can even be removed and used as an impact driver attachment for added versatility. What we like. This stubby screwdriver is perfect for tight spaces where larger tools can't reach. It packs 8 functions, including various bits and a nut driver, into a compact form. If you often find yourself working in confined areas and need a multifunctional, impact-rated screwdriver, this compact tool is ideal. What people say. The Klein 32900 is a great tool for stripping wire. It is very easy to use and strips wire quickly. The tool is also very durable and has a long lifespan. Number 1. Klein Tools NCVT2 PKIT Voltage and Outlet Tester Kit. This tool automatically detects AC voltage in a wide range of electrical components. It's designed for broad application, making your electrical checks easier. A bright LED indicates it's ready to use, turning red and beeping when voltage is found. This provides a clear and immediate alert to potential hazards. It operates across 2 distinct voltage ranges, from 12 VAC up to 1000 VAC. This dual functionality ensures it's suitable for both low and standard voltage tasks. To save power, it automatically shuts off after a period of inactivity. This battery-saving feature ensures it's ready when you need it. Constructed for durability, it can withstand drops from up to 6.6 feet. This rugged design ensures it can handle the demands of any job site. The kit also features a reliable receptacle tester. It checks wiring configurations and identifies common faults, ensuring safe and correct installations. This comprehensive kit includes both testers, instructions, and batteries. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This kit offers dual-range non-contact voltage detection for broad application. It also includes an outlet tester to verify wiring. If you're an electrician or DIYer who needs a reliable and convenient way to check for voltage and ensure safe wiring, this comprehensive kit is a must-have. What people say. The Klein 32900 is a great tool for stripping wire. It is very easy to use and strips wire quickly. The tool is also very durable and has a long lifespan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.